Welcome traders. Today's video will be about a technical trend following indicator named donchian channel. You can see on my screen I have plotted a indicator and the name of this indicator is donchian channel. Now this indicator was actually developed by Mr. Richard Donchian, and he was a famous commodity trader way back in the 1960s and 70s, and he was given a name called the father of trend following. And as the name suits him, because this particular indicator which he discovered at that point of time is also a trend following indicator in nature. Now, how to use this indicator? Before I get into that depth, first we will understand how this indicator was made. Basically, this indicator is a very simple one. You can see these two lines over here, right? You can see this upper line and this lower line, and we have a line in between. So first of all, this upper line, if I click on this, you'll see the length is 20 days. So basically this is nothing but the 20 days high. All right, this is the 20 days higher line. This is the 20 days low line. And this is the average of the two. Now, how Mr. Richard Donchian used this indicator? He used this indicator as a trend following indicator. For example, if you can see, this particular chart is of Yes Bank. He used this indicator. If the price closes above this particular level, above the 20 days highest high, then it is a buy signal according to him. And after that, as long as the price keeps going up, he will hold it. All right. The moment the price starts coming down, it's a sell. But when is a sell exactly triggered? When it closes below this particular point. All right. When it closes this particular point, the uptrend comes to an end, and this particular trend is now on the downside. Why? Because the candle has now closed below the 20 days low. And after this sell signal, if you see over here, the price is somewhere around 246 approximately. All right. So this price from 246 onwards, it has gone to 60. Obviously, you're not going to see such a magnificent downtrend each and every time, but this is just an example. All right. Let's go to a few other stocks. Let me open the chart of Tata Motors. All right. In the chart of Tata Motors, you can see the sell signal came over here at around 198 recently in the May of 2019. So from 198, the price went all the way down till 149. This was all the way a big trend on the downside. And then we had a small pullback. In this small pullback, there was a whipsaw. Whipsaw is basically a signal which ends in a loss. All right. So you can see over here, the price has closed above 169, and then suddenly the price starts coming down, once again signaling a downtrend at 149. So from 149, the price goes to 106. So we need to understand one thing: trend following, any trend following indicator, any trend following trading systems are best when market is in a trend, when market is rising or falling in one single direction. As soon as the price goes sideways, if you can see properly, the price has been little bit sideways in this small area between June to August. It was slightly sideways, not till August, but between June and July. So whenever prices are sideways, you will have maybe one or two whipsaws. But on the contrary, if you can capture a very big trend for your benefit, you can also make a lot of money. This is also not an indicator which is going to signal a top or a bottom. If you can see properly, the highest point over here was around 172, and the sell signal came around at 144. Yes, you have missed a lot of opportunity over here, but at the same point of time, if you are able to capture such a big trend, then you're still making loads of money. And any trend following indicator will always help you to capture the middle part, not the top, not the bottom, but the middle portion, the meaty portion, where the maximum amount of money is made. Let me open the chart of Reliance Industries now. All right. Now, Reliance Industry, where the sell signal came in this particular indicator. If you can see properly, first let us check this buy signal. The buy signal came over here somewhere in Jan 2019 when it closed above 1186, and you can see the price is rising, going up and down, and it went all the way till almost 1417 levels. All right. And after that high, prices started coming down. It closed below this 20 days low. The donchian channel, the lower line, the lower band of the donchian channel, it closed below this, and the closing price was 1298. From 1298, we can see all the way a small bounce back and then a sell off. From 1298, we saw the prices coming down till 1094. So this is a powerful trend following indicator. All right, this is a powerful trend following indicator, but we need to understand one thing, that this is just a single indicator. Whenever you are using any indicator, whether it is RSI or moving average or any other indicator, you cannot make money with the help of just one single indicator. Obviously, you will have to add maybe a couple of indicators more to filter out the whipsaws. But overall, if you ask me that, is this indicator helpful? I would say yes. This is a very nice indicator to show you the overall bigger trends in the market. And if you can add a couple of indicators with this particular trend following indicator, it will really help you. You can see even this particular trend was captured very nicely. Actually, the buy signal came over here somewhere. You can see from 1000, the price has gone all the way till 1332. And you got a nice big trend till possibly around, yes, 1210. So this was a very good trend on the upside you had captured. In sideways market, obviously the indicator will not work so nicely, but we need to understand that this is a trend following indicator, and you will make loads of money when the market is trending on the upside or on the downside. I hope these videos are helping you and providing you insights on many technical indicators and at time even views on Nifty. So if you like my educational videos, please do like them and share it with others so others can also take advantage of them and trade wisely. Thank you.